So in order to take out the head strap from your MetaQuest 3, all you have to do, now some people just snap it off like this. Some people say, oh, you have to snap it up from here first, and then you can do it from here. What I suggest doing is from here, from the top. So you want to start off from the top. It just seems more logical because it just comes out easier that way than trying to snap it off from here or here. So from the top, if you do that, it just snaps off very easily. So see how easy that is? And then we can just remove this. This would be maybe the toughest part to put in from your new one. So we're just gonna take this one out, because you do need to take this out. Once it's out, there you go. You just took this off from your MetaQuest 3. So right now it looks like this because we just took it out. So it's very, very easy to take it out. And now we're gonna install this. All right, so it's kind of the same way that we popped this out. We're gonna start off with the ends. So we're just gonna line those up, and then from here, we just kind of like have to pop it in. Let me just show you from this view. It might be better for you guys to see. So if you go like that, and then we kind of just push it in, it should snap right in there. All right, so it should be nice and tight. Same goes with this side. We're gonna go on and just snap it in there. And here we go. All right, so I kind of did this one backwards because I snapped it in back here and here. But anyways, that's how you guys can snap this in. And then we can just bring this and make it tight. So after you do that, you just plug this in here and you're all set. That's how this looks. Let me just show you on the back. You should see those lights. Here you should see 100%, and it should be something like that. Let me just take this out because you don't need this. So there you go. So you can see your battery percentage. Now, I do have to mention that this moves like so to adjust, which I personally don't think it's necessary, but hey, it does make it a little more comfortable that you can move this to make it exactly how you like it. Now, besides that, we're gonna put the strap through here. So what you want to do is just take this and we're gonna snap it right in here. There we go. And then this part actually goes like this. So this is the long end. You're gonna put it like so. And that's gonna go right there. All right, so to take this out, it's easy, but it seems like you're gonna break it, by the way. So you're gonna hold it, just squeeze it a little bit, and it's gonna snap out. Squeeze it a little bit, it's gonna snap out. And there you go. So that's how you guys can remove this and then put it back in. So that's how this looks like from a MetaQuest 3. It's very, very easy to take out, but again, it feels kind of awkward taking it out. So once you take it out, then this would be kind of easier to put this in. So there you go. So now we can actually go ahead and put that in. Once you have that, you just put this back. It's just gonna snap in, and there you go. You're all done. Now this is actually all done, and you're ready to go. So this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, it's pretty nice design. I don't like the top of it, how it actually looks from the pictures that you guys will see on Amazon. This looks like it would be plastic, however it's not. And it can't be plastic because this needs to go to it. So, because you can put this as tight as you want. So technically, the material cannot be plastic. And it looks like plastic in the pictures, just so they can make it look good. So it doesn't look that great. That said, it's nice and soft, although that's not really a need. Regardless, it's gonna make it more comfortable. So the front, don't like how that looks exactly. And but everything else about the design I do like. So everything else looks just fine. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.